Is your Jetbrains apps not working because of the Jetbrains Process Elevator Module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist, and I'll help you re-register that library and end the crashes. I've linked the primary utility for Jetbrains Process Elevator Module in the description to help you skip the manual fix. This is the Jetbrains Process Elevator Module, part of the Jetbrains toolset, managing the localized privilege elevation required to debug system processes. While primarily for devs, its absence can cause access-denied errors in specialized reverse engineering tools that attempt to decompile kernel modules. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. Jetbrains Process Dux Elevator is maintained by Windows itself. Run the system file checker by typing sfc/scan now in an elevated command prompt to detect and repair system-level file issues. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Jetbrains Process Elevator Module component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodc_r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. Please be cautious of websites offering free downloads of Jetbrains Process Elevator Module DLL. These files are frequently the wrong version for your specific PC architecture and can introduce viruses into your sensitive system folders. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. To reduce uncertainty around library management, the diagnostic tool below includes informational content on synchronizing Jetbrains Process Elevator Module. To ensure you always have a professional diagnostic path for Jetbrains Process Elevator Module or system errors, hit the subscribe button and keep this channel in your toolkit.